Good morning, y'all. My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vette YouTube channel. Today we've got some great Jeep content for y'all. So let's head to Jeep Jam, the second annual Jeep show, and a little bit more. Roll that intro. Ready, smile. There you go. I'm pretty sure that one was up at Allen Samuels a while ago. I think so. So there's some music playing, so we'll kind of mute some of it. But this is awesome. Jeep Jam. That is sick. I definitely need a Gladiator that looks like that now.
Click. Oh, we need a lift kit. We scraped a little.
Imagine you scraped a little in that Jeep Cherokees out here.
Yeah.
Oh, you need that one car that you see that bounces on the sand.
It'll be alright. See, look, they're all making it.
Drifting!
That water's a little stanky.
Oh, come on, brother.
Go on, you can do it. Nope, he's stuck.
He's not making it. Oh, is it dead?
Oh, I got. I'll pull down the contact now.
Had a look. Yeah, something
Oh, that's really
bumpy.
Oh, there's that flag one. That's so cool. It's sad. All these people missing out on the moon.
I guess I should have just been putting it out to the side.
Huh?
So I've been putting it out to the side.
It's okay. It doesn't matter.
That was Becky. Billings.
Yeah, they're still backed up. Oh, I think he got out. I think so. I think he just got out.
The big truck might be pulling them out.
Yep. I think
Probably.
because
The big
Chevy
truck
was
is-
down there by him.
Yeah.
That's what it would take.
Oh, Think we hit. Oh, wait. Here, stick. Ooh! Pour your I'm sorry. Ooh! I guess you're right. I don't think I'm here. Yep, here this, like this. Sliver. Release the thing. How's it? Whoa. Yeah, my voice is loaded.
We did go live, and if you want to watch that video of the trail of the live, you'll need to be a member because it's a member-only live stream video. It's very, what do you call it? Exclusive. Anyhow, if you guys enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button, and we will move right along and see you next time. God bless y'all.